Lesson: Compliance with AI Standards. Compliance with AI standards is an essential component of ensuring ethical practice and governance in artificial intelligence. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into various sectors, the need for robust compliance mechanisms is critical to address ethical concerns, mitigate risks, and foster public trust. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to enhance proficiency in AI standards compliance. At the core of AI compliance is the understanding and application of ethical principles, which are often encapsulated in various standards and guidelines. One such framework is the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems, which outlines key ethical considerations for AI development, including transparency, accountability, and human rights. Professionals can utilize this framework to assess and align their AI projects with ethical standards by conducting comprehensive audits of AI systems, ensuring that they adhere to these principles. A practical tool for facilitating compliance is the implementation of AI ethics checklists. These checklists serve as a step-by-step guide for developers and organizations to verify that their AI systems meet ethical and regulatory requirements. For instance, the European Commission's Ethics Guidelines for Trustworthy AI provides a detailed checklist that includes questions on data governance, fairness, and societal impact. By integrating such checklists into the AI development lifecycle, organizations can systematically address ethical concerns and enhance compliance. In addition to checklists, the use of AI auditing frameworks can significantly bolster compliance efforts. AI audits involve a thorough examination of AI systems to ensure they align with ethical standards and regulatory requirements. The AI Ethics Impact Group's AI Ethics Impact Assessment Framework, for example, provides a structured approach to evaluating the ethical implications of AI systems. This framework guides professionals through the process of identifying potential ethical risks, assessing their impact, and implementing mitigation strategies. By conducting regular AI audits, organizations can maintain compliance and demonstrate their commitment to ethical AI governance. Case studies offer valuable insights into the practical application of AI compliance measures. A notable example is the healthcare sector, where AI systems are increasingly used for diagnostics and treatment planning. In a study examining the use of AI in predictive diagnostics, researchers found that adherence to ethical standards, such as patient data privacy and algorithmic transparency, was crucial in gaining patient trust and improving outcomes. This case underscores the importance of integrating ethical considerations into AI systems to achieve compliance and foster trust. Statistics further highlight the necessity of AI compliance. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, 62% of organizations using AI have experienced ethical challenges, with data privacy and security being the most prevalent issues. This statistic underscores the need for robust compliance mechanisms to address these challenges and ensure the responsible use of AI. To effectively implement AI compliance measures, professionals can leverage the FAIR principles, which stand for findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. These principles, originally developed for data management, are highly applicable to AI development and governance. By ensuring that AI systems are designed with these principles in mind, organizations can enhance transparency and accountability, key components of ethical AI compliance. For example, making AI algorithms findable and accessible allows stakeholders to review and understand the decision-making processes, thereby promoting transparency and trust. Another critical aspect of AI compliance is the establishment of governance structures that support ethical oversight. Organizations should consider forming ethics boards or committees dedicated to reviewing AI projects and ensuring adherence to standards. These bodies can provide ongoing oversight, offering guidance on ethical dilemmas and facilitating the implementation of compliance measures. By institutionalizing ethical governance, organizations can create a culture of accountability and responsibility. A further practical step for achieving AI compliance is investing in training and education for AI professionals. Ensuring that developers and decision makers are well versed in ethical standards and compliance requirements is crucial for fostering a responsible AI ecosystem. Training programs, such as workshops and certification courses, can equip professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate complex ethical landscapes and implement compliance measures effectively. This investment in human capital is essential for sustaining ethical AI practices. Collaborative efforts are also vital for advancing AI compliance. Engaging with stakeholders, including policymakers, industry leaders, and academia, can facilitate the development and adoption of comprehensive standards. Collaborative initiatives, like the Partnership on AI, bring together diverse perspectives and expertise to address ethical challenges and promote best practices in AI development. By participating in such initiatives, organizations can contribute to the evolution of AI standards and enhance their compliance efforts. In conclusion, compliance with AI standards is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of practical tools, frameworks, and collaborative efforts. By leveraging ethical frameworks, checklists, auditing tools, and governance structures, professionals can systematically address compliance challenges and ensure the responsible use of AI. Case studies and statistics underscore the importance of these measures in fostering trust and mitigating risks. Ultimately, a commitment to AI compliance is essential for achieving ethical AI governance and realizing the full potential of AI technologies.